Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Health Zaroori channel. Today, we're diving into the world of a fruit so small, it might be easy to overlook, but don't let its size fool you. We're talking about the mighty blueberry, a nutritional powerhouse packed with more benefits than you can shake a smoothie at. So buckle up, blueberry enthusiasts and newbies alike, because we're about to explore 15 reasons why these little guys should become your new best friend. 1. Antioxidants. Blueberries are bursting with them, specifically anthocyanins, which are like tiny ninjas fighting off free radicals and keeping your cells healthy. Think of them as your body's personal bouncers. 2. Memory boosters. Feeling forgetful? Blueberries to the rescue. Studies show they can improve memory, focus, and even spatial learning. So next time you need to remember where you parked the car or your train of thought, grab a handful of blueberries. 3. Heart health heroes. Blueberries can lower your bad cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and keep your arteries happy. They're like a mini cardio workout in every bite. 4. Blood sugar balancers. Worried about blood sugar spikes? Blueberries can help regulate insulin and keep your blood sugar levels stable. They're nature's candy without the crash. 5. Immune system supporters. Feeling under the weather? Blueberries can give your immune system a boost with their vitamin C and other goodies. They're like a tiny internal shield. UTI busters. Urinary tract infections got you down? Blueberries can help prevent them by stopping bacteria from sticking to your bladder walls. Think of them as tiny sanitation workers. 7. Skin saviors. Want glowing skin? Blueberries can help reduce wrinkles, fight inflammation, and protect your skin from sun damage. They're like a natural spa treatment in every bite. 8. Gut guardians. Feeling bloated or sluggish? Blueberries are loaded with fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly. They're like a tiny internal broom. 9. Weight management wonders. Blueberries are low in calories and high in fiber, so they can help you feel full and satisfied without packing on the pounds. They're like the perfect guilt-free snack. 10. Bone builders. Blueberries are a good source of vitamin K and manganese, which are essential for keeping your bones strong and healthy. They're like tiny construction workers for your skeleton. 11. Cancer fighters. Studies suggest that blueberries may help protect against certain types of cancer, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They're like tiny warriors fighting for your health. 12. Brain power boosters. Blueberries can improve cognitive function, learning, and memory. They're like brain food that actually tastes good. 13. Mood enhancers. Feeling stressed or down? Blueberries may help improve your mood and reduce anxiety thanks to their flavonoids. They're like tiny mood miracles. 14. Sleep supporters. Having trouble sleeping? Blueberries can help regulate your sleep cycle and promote restful sleep. They're like nature's lullaby. 15. Versatility king. From smoothies and yogurt to muffins and pancakes, blueberries are incredibly versatile. You can sneak them into almost anything. They're the flavor chameleon of the fruit world. So there you have it. 15 reasons why blueberries deserve a standing ovation, or maybe just a spot in your fruit bowl. They're delicious, nutritious, and have superpowers that would make even Captain America jealous. So, next time you're at the store, don't just walk by those blueberries. Give them a high five and take them home with you. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. What's your favorite way to enjoy blueberries? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy hacks and delicious ideas. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep it fruity.